I got lash extensions. This is what they look like and I'm really loving them. It's just nice to like feel a little bit more put together in the mornings without like having to put mascara on and then a couple hours later the mascara is like crumbling and smudging on your face. The dishwasher is done, so I'm gonna grab it. Oh, I've got a tea towel here. I'm just gonna be drying dishes as I'm talking to you because that's where my life is at the moment. Also, my camera is about to die, so if I get cut off randomly, I apologize. I'll put it on charge and then I'll rekindle when it charges back up. But it is Friday today, so I'm in a really good Friday happy mood. And I have a few goals for the day. Hello, I literally missed you guys and I was only away for like an hour because I put my camera on charge. Okay, you've seen my crazy side, I'm exposed. But I'm going to clean out the fridge. I think my Macca's iced latte with vanilla has kicked in. Okay. I'm gonna set you up there. Alrighty, this is what it looks like at the moment. I'm gonna give you a close up. This is my fridge. I'm appalled, I'm ashamed, I have no words. I cannot believe this is my life. This is a replication of the past few weeks and why I haven't been able to upload a video. Sometimes life gets too chaotic and sometimes the last thing that's on your mind is cleaning out your bloody fridge. We're in a good mood, we're here to reset our routine, which for me involves cleaning this. So let's get started. That is not edible. I don't know about you, but I would not eat that. Going in the bin. We've got something in a container with water. This is the fridge after doing cleanup. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. That is something that I was genuinely dreading and it looks so much better now. Yeah, when you get in those moods where life just gets a little bit too much, something as simple as cleaning out a fridge that genuinely took me like 10 to 15 minutes, like just seems too difficult. The next thing on my list today is this morning when I came home from my walk, I stripped the couch. So I took all the cushion covers off and they're currently in the wash and I think they're gonna be done in like 20 minutes. And because it's a really sunny day, I'm going to put them on the line and they should only take like 2 to 3 hours to dry.
Number 3 for resetting your routine for me would have to be taking that extra bit of time to go to a farmer's market rather than a standard grocery shop for my groceries. It just feels a lot nicer knowing that I'm supporting the local farmers here in Queensland.
We're back from the markets. Huge carton of mangoes. There is 14. I brought my bag and she is full. We have a butternut pumpkin. First time buying a pumpkin. Broccoli. Look how huge and fresh she looks. 2 lemons, a bunch of bananas, ginger, 2 onions in there. Okie dokie. I'm gonna put these away and then get ready for the beach. Look at the difference. This is one from Woolies, and then this is one from the farmer's market. Look at the difference. I'm gonna put this stuff back in there. Do I have anything else that needs to go in the fridge? Not put my lemons in there. Cold lemons would be nice. And then we got some fresh eggs. Goofy. These probably look so much bigger now than in my first video. Oh, little baby. Got lots of mangoes. Lots of mangoes. 14 mangoes. Look how cute it looks. Oh my god. Okie dokie. I'll get dressed.